If someone walked a mile in your shoes, what would they see? What would they feel? In life, you can only go as far as your feet can take you. So we invented a shoe that can go anywhere. Introducing Senja, an all-terrain 4-season waterproof knit shoe to take you anywhere. A shoe for travelers, explorers, festival goers, athletes, or urban dwellers. Senja are engineered for incredible comfort, whether you're breaking boundaries or just chilling out. Shock absorbent and lined with sole-cast merino wool cushioning, you'll feel like you're walking on air. You don't fit into a pair of Senja. Senja fits you. Form-fitting and flexible, Senja were designed by podiatrists and specialists to be the healthiest type of shoe for your feet. Slip them on in seconds with or without socks. They're backpack friendly and won't crease or get damaged on the go. Senja are completely waterproof and are perfect for the rain, hikes, or adventures. Never worry about wet socks again. Quick dry mesh lets you get back on the trail or back to work while keeping your feet warm and dry. The secret to Senja is merino wool, the finest and softest wool of any sheep. Durable, lightweight, and as comfortable as cashmere, Senja's merino wool insole was designed using our sole cast technology. Impact resistant and featuring spring-back energy return, Senja's insole can handle the pressure mile after mile. Merino wool is a year-round material that regulates temperature to keep your feet cool in the heat and warm in the snow. It's also moisture-wicking, keeping your feet dry and itch and blister-free. It pulls moisture from your feet and releases it through microfibers throughout the shoe. Merino wool is antibacterial and sweat-wicking. You'll never have to worry about foot odor again. Senja's crescent grid console is slip-resistant, giving you added traction in the rain, on the ice, or in life. Sometimes life gets dirty. Senja are stain and scuff-proof. Rinse them off in seconds. Senja isn't just a new way to explore the planet, it's a new way to protect it. Fossil fuels, a cocktail of toxins, and thousands of liters of water are consumed to produce just one pair of shoes. We decided this has to change. We completely revamped the manufacturing process from start to finish, so the only footprint you'll leave will be your own. We painstakingly tested dozens of different fabrics, designs, and styles to create a design and material mix that minimizes waste. We also incorporate sustainable manufacturing practices to keep utilization high and reduce trim waste. We only work with suppliers that pay livable wages, which results in happier and more productive workers. We also never test on animals. Compared to other knit shoes, producing a pair of Senja uses 45% less energy, 75% less fossil fuel, and 4,500 liters of water. Senja leads the way in sustainable footwear. We're proud to make them, and you can be proud of wearing them. Life takes us many places. From the corners of the earth to our own backyards, we all feel the call to be more, to go further. No matter the distance, Senja will take you there.